Hey guys, Mr. Wenzel here. Let's make some pancakes. You're going to want to grab a bowl, add your dry ingredients to a medium-sized bowl, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then you're going to want to add in your wet ingredients, starting with your eggs. Add in your 2 eggs. Stir in 1.5 to 2 cups of milk. While you're stirring, you want to whisk. You don't have to worry about the lumps too much because they'll work themselves out when they go into the pan. After you whisk in your milk and your wet ingredients, then you're going to add in your chocolate chips. Add in your melted butter. Now, with a non-stick pan or skillet on medium to high heat, you're going to add in at least a tablespoon of butter. Don't skimp on the butter. You can never have too much. Now, for each new pancake, you're going to want to add new butter to the pan. Using a 1/4 cup measure or a 1/3 cup measure, scoop out your batter into the pan. And when the edges get to be brown and there's small to medium size bubbles coming through your pancakes, then you're going to want to flip them. You're looking for a nice golden color on each of the sides of the pancakes. Now, when you're finished, stack your pancakes, add your favorite berry. In this case, I'm using blackberries. Pour in your favorite syrup and top with powdered sugar. There you have it, guys. Pancakes.